Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. So in today's video I'll be talking about the most persistent issue that I've been facing as an emerging YouTuber, and that is the problem of this microphone. I've been searching on internet about different sorts of microphones, and I bought different microphones, but none of them worked. Then I ordered this mic, and that is of Amgras, and currently I'm using this mic, so you can notice the sound quality. So the best thing about this mic is that it is a wireless mic and you can carry it anywhere you want to, and its charging quality is extremely perfect, and it is quite affordable. It's not that much expensive. In Pakistan I bought it for 10,000, which is equivalent to almost $35-36. So let's see what's inside. When you open it, then inside of the box you get this kind of an amazing package, and inside of which you get this beast. So it's more like AirPod, because the box is really amazing, and inside of which you get this kind of box, and inside of which you get the two mics. One is for a podcast. If you want to do a podcast with another person, then you can use these both mics. Otherwise you're okay with one of them. Anyone you can use. I most of the time use the middle one. I'm not sure why. So these are the two mics. Then you have the connector here, and if you have an iPhone you get similar type of connector, but if you have an Android you can get the same connector as you want. So its packaging is good and you can carry it to anywhere you want. And this is the charging socket. So from here you can charge, and it comes in a Type-C design. So here it shows the charging, and I have charged it once, and after that I'm using it continuously for making videos, and that's a bit it. Yeah, it is quite good. Overall the sound quality is not like pro versions, but in this price range I would rate it 8 out of 10. So the sound quality is 8/10 for me, and I think it's good to go. If you are an emerging YouTuber and if you're just working on YouTube, then this thing is the best option for you. So that's my recommendation. You can try this out and enjoy yourself, and keep on making videos. Hopefully you and me, we are gonna hit millions of subscribers one day. Let's hope for the best. So with this information, goodbye and take care. See you in the next video. Bye bye, take care.